halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Bouquet bunga-bunga dan buah-buahan. Nah, biasanya kan bouquet seperti ini kan hanya untuk bunga-bunga, dan kali ini saya campur aduk, ada bunga, ada buah-buahan, dan ada coklat. Ini spesial buat mertua. Karena kami tidak bisa mengasih apa-apa dan mereka juga tidak mau menerima apa-apa, jadi makanan saja seperti ini. Jadi bunganya bisa dipandang mata, buahnya bisa dimakan, coklatnya juga bisa dinikmati. Bagaimanakah cara pembuatan ini? Silakan lihat tutorialnya. Nah, ini bukenya sudah siap untuk diantar ke rumah mertua. Ada bunga, ada buah. Jadi nggak hanya enak dipandang mata, jadi enak juga untuk dinikmati. Oke, sekarang kami berangkat dulu ke rumah mertua. Dan ini kuenya.
She's here. Oh, hang on a minute. Meg's turned up. Oh, you
Hello.
Hi. It was 3 degrees on Monday. 3 degrees.
What more presents to come?
Yeah.
Don't rush this, Shane.
No,
Okay. No, not ready yet.
Alright, finish.
Okay, you've got to go and have a look then.
How about that, Nan?
Hang on, let me get my glasses.
Look at that, Nan.
Oh yeah, that's clever. Why did you do that? What's that?
Those are the switches. It switches them off after. Oh, you have done a good job there, Dallas.
That's clever.
Dallas has done that.
Never. Have you done that?
She's a clever
Have
mummy,
you got
isn't
this?
she?
Come get
I'm
them
sorry.
out. Hang on. Have you got the view?
Look at this.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a cake.
Do you make it?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Don't you have that?
No.
Yuli's the...
Who's the chef?
So,
Oh,
good the way the windows light up now. You put
Yeah.
the lights on. Yeah, clever.
Yeah, that's very good.
she's a clever mummy, isn't
How did you
she?
do that?
Eh?
Yeah.
Clever mummy.
Oh.
Kami sudah pulang dari rumah Bray dan Dai-nya. Mereka senang sekali. Nggak lama-lama kami di sana hanya nganterin langsung pulang. Okay, Sitan.
Yes, very nice indeed.
What do you think, Dal? We make another cake.
Yeah.
Yeah. What color do you like?
Black and white.
With the light. Okay, then. Oke, jadi sekarang Dallasnya mau minta bikinin kue kayak gitu juga. Karena dia sedih kuenya sudah dikasih ke Nani dan Granddadnya. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang kami pulang ke rumah. Udah gelap padahal masih jam 3-an sore.
Look at that. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're
Fantastic.
welcome.
Huh? Dominant.
Having, go,
Dominant.
ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
No more you.
Yeah, I'm going to do it. Okay, ready? Push all of it.
Mulai dah tadi.
There you go. Come on then. So, and then in the morning, what we need to do is come out and see if that's gone. If it's gone, because what they'll do, I reckon they'll park his reindeer across there. Then I'll go. But then they'll go. And they'll lean across and nibble it off the banister. But anyway.
But do you know which reindeer likes reindeer food? He likes reindeer food a lot.
Oh, right.